really hard to get to where I am today, and to be acknowledged by people in the industry. Knowing the panel of the judges is truly a privilege. I feel really wrapped at the moment. It's just a nice milestone, I guess, with Mark Ware and how much we've accomplished so far, and you know, knowing that it's specifically for LinkedIn, which is where we specialize, is really fantastic as well. I mean, some of the challenges that we've had to face is as LinkedIn's evolved as a platform, like they didn't have articles before, didn't have video before, we've had to adapt. And you know, along the way, some people who were really good at LinkedIn back in the day, when they released video, all of a sudden they weren't getting the same traction. So being able to think on your feet and to be able to adapt and learn different skill sets to be able to master the platform has certainly been a challenge, but it's also been a massive opportunity, which is the reason I'm holding this today. It's just all about the customer. It's all about adding value. I think the biggest mistake a lot of social media marketers make is they're all in their own head. They're thinking about what's going to make me look good, what's going to make me look smart. But at the end of the day, if you're adding value to the consumer and the person who's receiving the content, you're going to get the result.